Welcome to Falcon Stockographics. Here we analyze stocks or shares of the companies. Before we see the stock of the day, firstly let's see a brief overview of the company. The company was founded by Shivnadar in 1991. It is headquartered in Noida, India. It delivers its services to various sectors like banking, transportation, defense, healthcare, logistics, and many other sectors. The current market price of the company is 1012.75 rupees. The current market cap of the company is 2,66,861 crores. When it comes to holding, the promoter holding is 60.33% and FII or FPI holding is 24.92%. 52-week high is 1067 and low is 447.85. We can say that the current market price is just near to high of the company. The range of the products include IT infrastructure, solutions, cloud computing, BPO, R&D, and many others. So today's talk of the day is HCL Technologies. HCL is Hindustan Computers Limited. Revenues from operations in the year 2007-8 was rupees 4,615.39 rupees and it grew to 32,606 crores rupees in 2019-20. As we can see, rapid growth can be traced right from 2010-11. There was a little bit of jerk in the year of 2015-16, but afterwards it recovered and again grew rapidly to 32,606 crores in 2019-20. Now, if we see the operating income and return on capital employed (ROCE) of the company over the years, in 2007-8, operating income of the company was 730.8 crores. Figures are in crores. And in 2019-20, the operating income was 10,828 crores. It had started to pick up from 2011-12 with a rapid increase. In 2015-16, there was a little bit of jerk, and after that jerk, there was again recovery and then a rapid increase in operating income of the company. If we see the return on capital employed of the company, it was 21.79% in 2007-8. It grew to 50.61 in 2013-14 and again it was 28.91 in 2019-20. So it is quite understandable the fall in ROC as the organization gets bigger, its ROC tends to fall. If we see the shareholders funds and long-term finance or debt, in 2007-8 shareholders fund was 3,214.83 crores which grew to 37,296 crores in 2019-20. When it comes to debt or long-term finance, in 2007-8 it was 25.33 crores. It grew to about 1,397.39 crores in 2009-10 and again decreased to 160 crores in 2019-20. If we see the proportion of the debt, it seems that it is quite manageable and negligible. Hence, we can say that this company doesn't have any problem with debt. If we see the quarterly revenues from operations of the company, in December 2019, it was 8,654 crores and in December 2020, it was 9,404 crores. We can see an increase in March 2020 and then a big dip in June 2020. We can say that this dip was due to lockdown, but afterwards it showed a great recovery and it reached to 9,404 crores in December 2020, which is quite a good growth. If we see the quarterly PBIT of the company, it has almost stayed constant with a little bit of increase in December 2020. In December 2019, as we can see, the PBIT of the company was 3,063 crores and in December 2020 it was 3,706 crores. If we see the stock chart of the HCL Limited, up till May and June, the stock was trading at about below 500 rupees. And now if you see, the stock is trading mainly between 950 rupees to 1050 rupees. Now this is, we can say that it is a consolidation zone from 950 rupees to 1000 to 1050 rupees. Now when the results of the HCL will be out within few days, it will decide whether it will give a breakout or whether it will have a breakdown. If we see the Fibonacci chart of the company, at 382, the price of the stock is 1020. At zero point 0.5, the price of the stock is 1009.3, and at 618, the price of the stock is 998.49 rupees. If we see the indicators, 3 indicators say that the stock is bearish, 11 say that the stock is neutral, and 13 indicators say that the stock is bullish. RSI indicator is 62.12. The company pays dividend annually. The highest amount of dividend was paid in March 2017 at rupees 24 per share. In March 2020, it is rupees 10 per share. If we see the below, there is a news about HCL, and if we see here, the first news says that HCL Technologies Q4 PAT may dip at 28.9%. Second news is about the PAT seen up at 2.6%, and again there was news that PAT may dip 11.6% quarter on quarter. So we can say that there are views about upside as well as downside for the stock of HCL. As we have seen from previous graphs and charts, that the revenues of the company were increasing, and as the revenues will increase, so will be the profits, and hence it is more likely that the results of the HCL will be well and good. The target for HCL by Motilal Oswal is given as 1300, and by ICICI Direct is given at 1135. Now the trading is more suitable in this stock, as I have said that 950 to 1050 is the consolidation zone of the stock. If the results are good, it will give a breakout, and if the results are not good enough, it will give a breakdown. Investing is also good in this stock if you are checking its quarterly results and annual results, and as this company deals in hardware and software, there are also good investment prospects, but again you need to check quarterly results and annual results. So lastly, like the video, subscribe the channel. Meet you again. Take care. Thank you.